morning, all my dear friends who are sitting here, plus all those who are watching me on especially YouTube. Before we start, I would like to tell you that here with this Oxbridge, a complete place of English, you can get proper practice class. And besides this practice class, I'll provide you for the grammar also the classes. My planning is going on that. Now today we are sitting here that we can practice. I have my group of the students. They are all are sitting here with the hope that they have to learn how to speak in English. And the topic of today is, especially I'm interested to know from my student, how did they know about their about this Oxbridge and who are the source of their admissions. I would like to ask my student, and they are going to give me the answer one by one. How did they get admission in the Oxbridge? Okay, and you guys watching me on the YouTube, you can have the proper practice here, because to learn how to speak there is a need of listening, and with this video you can get the chance of listening. After this video especially, you can talk with your friends, you can talk with your relatives, and try to speak in English. Some mistakes are there, ignore that, and mistake can be improved after. Because of the mistake, don't stop speaking. Okay, so the topic is, how did my students have got admissions, how did they come to know about the Oxbridge? So that I'm going to ask, and today we have the first one, Mr. Amber. Now,
Hello audience, my name is Mohammed Amber. Now I am going to tell about how did I get admission in Oxbridge.
exactly.
And first I would like to say, when I was reading class in 12th, at time those who
At that time,
who was teaching me, he was also student of Oxbridge.
okay,
And when he was speaking fluently English, at time I was shocked. Where did he learn English?
fine.
And I asked sir,
I asked,
sir, how did you learn English? Where did you learn English?
how did you learn and where did you learn
learn
English? You asked your teacher,
Yes, sir.
who used to give you home tuition. No,
No, sir.
it's coaching.
They
where
were
you are.
coaching in my village.
Okay, fine.
And he told Amber, I was a student of Oxbridge
Hmm.
in 2012.
There is options for this. Okay, fine.
In 2012. And I told sir, who is teacher in the Oxbridge? And he told about you, and there is a teacher, name is Farooq sir. I told sir, I want to also go there and I want to learn English. So I told, okay, Amber, after 12th, you can go there and you can learn English there, because Oxbridge is a good platform where you can learn English very easily.
Oxbridge is the very good coaching where you can learn
English
very good
easily.
English.
And easily also.
Fine. Okay.
Because the teaching style of Farooq sir is very good. And
And that Farooq sir I am.
yes, sir.
Yeah, audience, I am Farooq sir. Fine.
And now I was speaking when I joined Oxbridge. At time not I was nothing.
At that time,
At that time I was nothing.
when I joined,
when I joined Oxbridge.
yeah,
But
I
now-
knew nothing.
But
I knew nothing.
But I can say audience, you can see now I'm able
I'm
to speak
speaking.
fluently.
Great.
And I can speak English because I spent there 6 months and now I'm able to speak English.
That's fine.
So I can say, when I came in the Oxbridge, I told Amber, you will have to do and you will have to
follow some rules.
First-
You will
first
have
rule
to
is-
follow some
First rule,
rules
yes, first rule, you will have to come Oxbridge
daily.
daily, and you will not speak in
Okay,
the.
so overall, but I'm not interested to go in the stories actually. I have so many strengths now, and I would like to ask one by one and get the bite only, that how did they know about the Oxbridge and what is the admission. So your admission source is my student, Mr.
Chandan Kumar.
Chandan Kumar.
Yes.
So Mr. Chandan Kumar was your teacher,
Yes.
and he used to teach you under matric, and you asked from him. And who would like to now answer the next person? Me. Fine. Kindly pass the mic to my student. You can have the mic like this. Better have like this. All right. You can start.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Naima Khanam. Today, I'm here to talk about how did I get admission here.
Exactly.
First of all, I want to tell you that when I passed 12, then after my declare my exam,
After I got my result,
Yeah, after
or
I
after
got-
my result declared,
here I went in my friend house.
I had gone. It's a past tense we are going
Yeah.
to talk about. It's old story. So after my result of 12th declared, I had gone to my friend's house.
Yeah. So she had told me, you want to join in English class, and so I said, yeah, I want, but at that time there was it was starting Ramzan.
Okay.
So I told after Eid we will join.
Okay.
Then after 1-2 months she called me that I'm going to
Oh.
learn English, to learn how to speak English in
Okay.
Oxbridge.
Okay, fine.
So I told, okay, I will also go with you. Then I come here with my friend
And what is the name of your friend?
Muskan.
Muskan. It's my student.
Yeah,
Muskan, my student. When did you like? You also know.
yeah.
Okay. So you have after the result of 12th class. Please put your mobile all in silent mode. After the result of 12th class, you had gone to your friend Muskan home,
Yeah.
and there you told her, I want to learn English, or she told you,
No, actually, I also wanted to learn English, but
as you had shown your interest in the past,
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
to your friend that you are interested to learn English.
English because now because my planning is to in my graduation I will take English honors. So for English
So my
honors,
planning was
my
for my
planning was
graduation
for my education. I will take
take
English
honors, English
honors.
as an
Yeah.
honors subject. So
Yeah.
is your English honors
Yeah.
today? So you are a student of English honors student,
Yes.
right? Okay, you are a student of English honors.
That's why for English honors it is compulsory.
How did you get the admission? Like she told you, then what did you do? After she told you, what did you do?
After she told, then I come here to
Then
check.
I
Come here to.
then I came. Then I came here
here to see how is
to
environment.
see how is the
Environment. How was.
how is
are
the
you?
environment of
Yeah. How is you and how.
how do you look wise?
No, sir. How
Okay.
you? How is your teaching style?
Okay, great. So
And
you
how
wanted
is-
to know how
yeah.
do I teach and how was my teaching style, and also fine, you came here. Then
Then I say, yeah, here every
what,
month.
how when you came first time, what whom to meet? When you came the first
Yeah.
time, whom did you meet?
First I meet you
Not
because
me directly. My I didn't-
no, because when I was coming now.
when I was coming.
Yeah, when I was coming, there is class going on, so I didn't idea how.
So when I had come, the
Yeah.
class was already going
Going
on.
on.
So I didn't have idea
Yeah.
to whom to talk.
Yeah, so,
then
directly I come in class.
and you entered into the class
Yeah.
directly. Fine, and then attended my class.
No, then you told go wait after class I will meet you.
Okay, great. So I told you. Then after?
Then after you meet me.
Then after?
Then after I get admission.
On the same day you got admission?
No, after
Then
2 days because I want to know now how.
I
is here.
wanted to know
I wanted to know that how is here.
exactly to understand the
Yeah.
environment, the culture of the Hofstres,
Yeah.
and then finally attending to classes you got admissions. Okay, and your Muskan is the friend, the source of admission is Muskan. Where is Muskan at present
She's
now?
also come
She
here
is coming now
Yeah.
also.
in
Okay.
2 to 3 batch.
But I'm forgetting. Actually, guys, I got one name, so many strengths. So sometimes I'm a bit confused with the name actually. But yes, one Muskan must be there about whom you're talking.
Yeah.
So great, this is that. So now, how do you feel here now?
I feel very good because I'm learning. I'm speaking English.
Okay, you are speaking, you are learning English
Yeah.
now. So you feel that yes, in coming time, you are going to be the best English speaker. You can rock speaking. You can do great speaking also, right? Great. Now, I would like to answer my questions. How did you get admission in Oxbridge? By choice. Anyone, girls sitting backside and are not the audience, you can also speak, sir. I would like to say. You can also say, I have no problem. So, who would like to speak? The next. I would like to know from you, Sana, also. How did you know about Oxbridge? And you came and got admissions. Tell us to my audience.
Good morning, all of you. I am Sana, and today I am talking about how I did get admission.
I don't know, sound is being out or not.
Okay, sir.
No problem. Close. Yeah, fine. Fine. It's okay. Put like this and then speak. No problem. Okay. Speak. Now you're right. Okay. Yeah, fine. Speak.
Good morning, everyone.
Hmm.
Today I would like to speak of how I am come here.
How have I started
I
coming
coming
here?
here. I meet my friend after 4 years
Okay.
in my birthday.
On my
On my
birthday.
birthday and discussed about to I am learning English. My friend decided to join Oxbridge, but that time I'm not joining.
That time I didn't join.
I didn't join because my exam was going on. So after 1 month, I'll call and
Her.
ask her. So she told me, no, now class was going on, but only verb forms are taught. So you
Verb
will
forms
join.
were being taught.
Were being taught. So you will join.
Hmm.
Then okay.
Then I said
Then I
okay.
said okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll come here
Okay. Okay.
and
Next day, not tomorrow. Tomorrow
Next
is
day.
only the day today, and next which will come is known as tomorrow. So when when you speak about the past,
yeah.
so next day you will say next day. You cannot say tomorrow. Tomorrow means the day which will come next. But when I talk about the old story, like I met a boy on 10 February, and he told me, sir, you come tomorrow. And I tell some others, then I'll not say tomorrow, I'll say I met my student, I met my one student on 10 of the February, and he called me next day. I cannot say tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day which will come now. Okay, now, so the next day
Come.
you had come here to the
Yes, sir.
Oxbridge now. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And I.
You got the admission.
Yes, sir.
So when you came directly on the day when you got admission, or you attended some classes also?
I attended some classes, two
Okay,
classes.
okay.
After 2 days, I got admission.
So after attending 2 classes, you were comfortable that
Yes.
yes, I can learn here English. Then you joined.
I comfortable. And
I was
I was
comfortable.
comfortable here.
Then I joined. So how are you feeling now?
Good. I'm
Improving
good,
also
yeah.
now. So your friend told you, and how many percent have you told about the Oxbridge? That like you are getting benefit, others should also get benefit.
My family members.
They know about.
Yeah.
Okay, all family members who are living together or your relatives.
Relatives. In my
Oh.
family, only 4%.
Okay, okay. In your family, there are only 4%. 4 are not less. It's many.
No, my father, mother, and elder
So
sister
4 are
and
not
me.
less. Your father, your mother,
Yes,
your
sir.
elder sister, and you.
Yeah.
Brother, you don't have.
No, sir.
Don't worry. Your father is having 2 daughters, and in the future, upcoming time,
So many
he will
brothers are
no,
there.
he will have 2 sons also. 2 sons.
Yeah, I understand.
2 daughters will bring 2 sons also.
But some people also, right? There are many girls.
Many
Yeah.
brothers are there. Yeah, of course. Many brothers are there. Like Aftab is there, Faz is there, and so many persons are there. Great. So anyway, you finally got admission in the Oxbridge, and now you are learning. You have still not learned, but yes, it's in the process,
Yes.
and you are happy now,
Yes.
right? Great.
I'm happy.
Okay. Now I would like to pass this mic to Mr. Aftab.